everyone, join your hands. We'll begin with the prayer. Okay. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Guru Me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurudev Namaha Tasmai Shri Gurudev Namaha Adittasya Namaskara Ye Guruvant Dine Dine Janmantar Sahastreshu Daridram no Prajayate Daridram no Prajayate Shubham Karoti Kalyanam Arogyam Dhan Sampada Shatrabuddhi Vinashaya Deepak Jyotir Namostute Deepak Jyotir Namostute. Now, shall we chant Gayatri Mantra for 3 times? Okay. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Now what we will do? Om chanting. Everyone ready with your peacocks? Okay. Chalo, put them on your knees. Back straight. Everyone back straight. Okay. Take a deep breath. Now, very gently rub your palms. Let the energy pass on your palms. And from your palms, let this energy pass on to your entire body. Rub, 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 rub. Let this positive energy come to your body. Let us touch our eyes and our face. And open your eyes. Okay, good evening, everyone. Are you all ready for today's session? Show me your thumbs up because I cannot hear you. You all are on mute. So I can only see your thumbs if you are all ready. Yes, you all are ready. So first activity, what we are going to do is the coloring of rice. Are you all ready with your rice? Devansh, first I want only rice, beta. Plain rice if you have. See, I have my rice ready. Okay. And I will transfer this rice in this plastic bag. You have to take a little big bag because we have to do little hand exercise with this bag. Okay. Now, is your food color ready? If you don't have food color, you can just mix haldi in water. Okay. See, I have mixed haldi, little haldi in the water, and my color is ready. With this, I am going to color my rice. And which color it will give? Which color my rice will become? The color of haldi is yellow. So my rice will also become yellow, bright yellow. Okay. So shall I pour this? Are you all ready? Shall I pour this in my bag? Okay, I am pouring. I am pouring this water, haldi water, and now I'll put a rubber band on it. So I'll tie this bag with rubber band. And if you are not ready with the color, you can just take rice in the bag and we will do some hand exercise with it. Okay, come on, make your bag. Everyone make your rice bag, please. If you all are ready, just show me your thumbs up with your rice bag. Can you see my bag? Okay. Let me wait for 2 minutes. Let me see if all are ready with their rice bags. We just have to do little exercise. That's why I'm asking you to be ready with your rice bags. Yeah, most of you all are getting it done. Very good, Dia. You're tying the rice bag on your own. Yes, Aradhya. Good if you have kept it in the box. But if you have a small bag, you can transfer those rice in the small bag. Okay. Okay, so all of you are ready with the bag. Shall we start with the exercise? Okay, now first I'll do one thing. I'll just open this and I will use my hand to do a little mixing of this color. Okay, let me put my hand in this and let us do together. Let's mix it. Let's mix it. Let's mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Let's mix it. Let's mix it. Let's mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Okay. Now see, I have mixed the rice. Now let us do. Can you get me a napkin, please? Now I'll tie it again and we will do another exercise quickly.
Ma'am, shall we blow some air into the bag?
Yes, ma'am, we can do that. But yes. Okay, let's keep little air in it so that we can shake it. Okay, let's shake it. Let's shake it. Let's shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Let's shake it. Let's shake it. Let's shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. All you all are shaking it. Come on, shaking exercise. Hands up and down. Hands up and down. Very good. I can see most of you all are doing it. Come on, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Very good. You can shake it with one hand also. Let's see who has that strength. Oh, it's not shaking with one hand. Okay, let me use two hands. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Yay! Our shaking exercise is done. Now you can just remove the air from it. And now what we will do? Just mix it. Just mix it. Just mix it, mix it, mix it. Just mix it. Just mix it. And mix it, mix it, mix it. Can you feel the rice on your palms? Can you all feel the rice? Mix, mix, mix. Mix. Yes. Very good. I can feel the rice on my palms. Now, this way, okay? Put the rice this way and roll it. Come on, open your palms. Open your palms and do rolling, 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 rolling. See, my plastic bag is rolling, 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 rolling. Rolling, 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 rolling. Let's roll it. Let's roll it. Let's roll it, roll it, roll it. Again, let's roll it. Let's roll it. Let's roll it, roll it, roll it. Roll it. Yay. Oh my God, my shoulders are paining now. One more exercise remaining. Come on, let's squeeze it. Let's squeeze it. Come on, quickly. Let's squeeze it. Let's squeeze it. Let's squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Let's squeeze it. Let's squeeze it. Let's squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Oh, I'm enjoying the squeezing exercise. Squeeze it. Oh, now see. Can you see the color of my rice? It has become yellow. Now everyone, you can open this bag and keep this rice for drying. Okay, let it dry for 15-20 minutes. Till that time, we'll go to another activity. Chalo, where is my newspaper? This is my newspaper. And aside on the table, I'll put it for drying. You can take help of mama so that you do not spill the rice. Okay. So I have put my rice for drying. You can use your hand to spread it, okay? You can just use your hand to spread the rice. You can use your hand. See how my daughter Anvita is doing this. She is just spreading the rice. She is just spreading the rice on the newspaper. All right. Spread it. Yes. And we shall keep it for drying for some time. See, such a beautiful yellow color has come. Yeah. All right. Let us move to another activity. So, are you having a good, we all did a good exercise of our hands and our shoulder. I'm sure your shoulder, you must have felt little pressure on your shoulders when you did these hand exercise. Now, okay, I have a small quiz for you. Human beings are intelligent. We all use our brain to think, to do activities, to do everyday work. So my question is, can you tell me the name of an animal or bird, okay, which is intelligent, not as human being, as intelligent as human being, but it is like the most intelligent bird amongst all the birds? Any guesses? Any guesses? A bird which is very intelligent, not as intelligent as human beings, but intelligent bird. Is it sparrow? I heard someone saying the correct answer. I heard someone saying the correct answer. And okay, I'll give you one more hint. This bird is black and gray in color. Black and gray in color. Black and gray in color. Yes, you are right. Everyone, thumbs up to you all. You all guessed it right. That bird is crow. Okay, so do you want to know something more about this bird? Now I shall tell you. I'll share my screen. Okay, my screen is visible, ma'am. Hema, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, my screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, I cannot see that annotation thing here.
Okay, ma'am, we will do it. Don't worry, you go ahead.
Okay. Just a minute, ma'am. Okay, so let us read some fun facts about crow. Crows, smart birds. They are very, very intelligent. They are really, really very smart birds. Okay, they have big brains. Crows have the biggest brain to body ratio among all bird species. So the size of brain is very big of crow. Okay, and where they have evolved with a highly developed forebrain where intelligence is regulated. Okay, this thing has evolved in their body, in their body structure, and in the crow species. That is why their intelligence is, that is where their intelligence is regulated. Now the anatomy of crow's brain is very much similar to humans, right? Like as human's brain work in a very similar manner, the brain of crows also work. Now crows are very social and social birds. Okay, can you see this? A crow is sitting on a man. Okay, that means the crows are very, very social birds and can even bond with humans, right? So they are very friendly bird, but they are friendly and they are very intelligent. So since they are intelligent, they will even find out with the facial expression of a human being what kind of person that is. Okay, what kind of person he or she is, and if we feel that the person is not good, he is cruel, or he is not friendly, the crow will not go back to that person. Okay, or even the crow can harm that person. But if the crow finds out that the person is really friendly because of their intelligence, because of their brain, they can find out that they are friendly, so they will become friendly to those human beings. Now what the crow commonly eats. Okay, commonly it has been noticed that crows forage on the food disposed by humans. Sometimes we also do that. Some chapatis are left and we put it in the balcony for the crow, for the pigeon. So they generally eat those stuff which we dispose of. Okay, they eat the stuff which we dispose of. Moreover, they prove to be very useful when it comes to controlling pests that destroy crops. Okay, they are even helpful for the farmers. Okay, because they eat the pests. Pest means small insects, small worms which can harm our crops. Okay, so they eat those worms and those small insects also. Another thing, crows are much smarter than birds like owls, who often hunt them. Okay, owls hunt crow, but when it comes to intelligence, the crow overpowers owls also. Okay, now moreover, they also surpass the intelligence level of parrot. Okay, generally what happens, parrots can speak, right? So that's why we think that wow, parrots are so intelligent, they can imitate, they can just speak like human beings. But no, when intelligence comes, when the fact of intelligence comes, crows are, they surpass the intelligence level of parrots as well. Oh, can you see how this crow is drinking water? How intelligent this crow is? The crow pressing the tap to drink water. Okay, and a bonobo ape using stick as tool. So can you see how intelligent the crow is? Okay, they are migratory birds, and they gather together to migrate during winter and autumn. So migration means from one place they move to another place where they find the weather suitable to them. Okay, this is what called as migration. So human beings migrate? No. Even if it is rainy season, or it is winter season, or it is summer season, we stay in our homes only. We only go for vacations for few days. But birds, generally few birds are there who migrate to the places where they find the suitable weather for their life, for their this now crows are omnivores. Okay, what is the meaning of omnivores? Omnivores means birds or animals which eat both vegetative products and the dead animals and insects. Okay, that is what that is what the meaning of omnivores. Omnivores means animals which can eat, which can survive both on the vegetative plantation, that is the veg food, as well as the non-veg products, non-veg or dead animals or insects or worms. Those animals are called as omnivores. So crows are omnivores. They even eat dead animals, they even eat nuts, they even eat fruits, they eat vegetables, they eat small worms and insects. So they are called as omnivores. Now crows have such high intelligence, high level of intelligence, that it has been observed that if crow wants to crack a nut, then it puts it on a highway so that vehicle could pass over it to crack it. See, can you see this crow is holding a walnut in its beak? Okay, now in the next slide, just see what he did. He dropped that walnut on a zebra crossing. Okay, this video is available on the Google site. Okay, you can search and you can look it on your own how intelligent the crows are. It was also observed that they prefer to put the nut under smaller vehicles. Why under smaller vehicles? Because if they will put it under a very heavy vehicle, the nut will crush completely and they will not get anything to eat. Okay, so nut under smaller vehicle so that the kernel is not be reduced to pulp. Okay, it is not crushed so much so that they are not able to eat it. That's why they will try to put it under a smaller vehicle. Now, and many a times they become host for cuckoo. Cuckoo is a lazy bird and she lays her eggs in crow's nest. Okay, so these are not crow's baby, these are cuckoo's baby. And crow works as a host for these small babies. Wow, good bird, na? Crow is such a nice bird. On an average, they lay about 4 to 7 eggs. Okay, a crow generally lays 4 to 7 eggs at a time. You should also know that not only crows use tools, they are able to make their own tools. Can you see this picture? A crow is holding a wire. Okay, now these crows are also kept for scientific research. Okay, scientists keep these crows for their for understanding the behavior of crows. So there they have understood that they can not only use the tools, but they can modify the tools as well. Okay, so here what crow did, he had a straight wire which he turned and he bent the wire to what? To do what? To take out this basket from this tube. See how intelligent the crow is. Yes, ma'am.
Can you also explain this point in Hindi, or you can add little bit Hindi also for nursery children?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, so आपको पता है क्रो इतना इंटेलिजेंट होता है कि जो थिन वायर उसने अपने बीक में पकड़ी हुई है उसको उसने टर्न कर दिया है. It has turned the wire. It had a straight wire. उसके पास straight wire था. And क्यों उसने टर्न किया? क्योंकि वो ट्यूब में उसके लिए थोड़ा सा खाना रखा हुआ था, तो वो खाना बाहर निकालने के लिए it turned the wire and see, उसको वायर को बास्केट में फंसा के उसने बास्केट बाहर निकाल दिया. And do you remember the story of the very thirsty crow? Right? That shows that crows are very intelligent. The thirsty crow. What thirsty crow did? To eat the food. Isn't it amazing? Smart crows, right? Crows are really smart. What in the thirsty crow story, what he did? It dropped the pebbles because the water was really very down. Crow was not able to drink it. So what it did? It dropped the pebbles. And because of the pebbles, the water displacement happened. And the water came up. And the intelligent crow, the smart crow, was able to quench its thirst. Okay. Now here, crows have the ability to judge the character of human beings by reading their faces and expressions, right? Sometimes, कभी-कभी तो हम लोग भी human beings को misjudge कर देते हैं. But these crows are very smart. They can read your face and your expressions. So if you help or feed a single crow, then he will go and tell other crows as well about the same. And other crows will also not fear to come near you. See, one good thing you do, and this crow will always remember you. And he will also tell your good deeds to other crows also. तो फिर वो भी आपकी बालकनी में खाना खाने आएंगे. Understood? So now let's go to the. So hope you all will keep food and water for crow in your balcony, and then Mr. Crow will become your friend. Okay. So not only for crow. Okay, crow is intelligent bird, no doubt. But this thing we should keep for all the birds so that if they are not finding food or if they are not finding water anywhere, they can come to our balcony and they can quench their thirst and they can get their stomach filled with the food which we have given them. Okay, so did you like to know all these interesting facts about the crow? Okay, wow. Now I have stopped sharing this, and now shall we move to our yes?
Did you all enjoy the information of crow?
I am enjoying so much.
Like it so much.
Ma'am, I am enjoying.
Okay, you are enjoying. Good. So now you will enjoy more.
Every day we start करोगे.
Now,
Richa ma'am, please unmute yourself.
yes, ma'am, unmuted myself.
Yeah, now.
So, ma'am, shall we move to the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today's story is also about this intelligent bird. And again, we will get to see how intelligent and how helpful this bird is, not only to human beings, but to his friends also, its animal friends also. So are you all ready for the story? Okay, let me share the story with you all. Okay, ma'am, my PPT is visible. Hema, ma'am. My PPT is visible to you. The story is visible to you.
No, ma'am. You need to double click. Maybe it's just
Okay.
opening.
Okay, ma'am. I'll just check again.
Yeah.
Now is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the name of the today's story is Kaga and the Coconuts. And can you guess who this Kaga is? Can you guess? Kaga is the name of this smart bird. Crow in this. Ma'am, just a minute. Anvita, give it to me 1 minute. Give it to me 1 minute. Kaga and the coconut. One day, Kaga the crow was very hungry. Okay, when we are hungry, what we do? We just tell our mamas, Mama, I'm hungry. Can you give something to eat? But can this crow say something? Can this crow say, can you give me something to eat? No, these birds and animals have to search their own food. Okay, so one day, Kaga the crow was hungry. He looked around. He looked around. Since long time, this crow was searching for food. So he looked around everywhere. And after some time, he saw a tall coconut tree. What did he see? He saw a tall coconut tree nearby. And happily, he flew to the tree. As soon as the crow saw the tree, he flew to the tree. And what he did next? With his beak, he pecked at a coconut. With his beak, he pecked at the coconut. What he did? Peck. Peck means to cut. Peck, generally, birds use their beaks to cut or to break something. Okay, so here crow also pecked at a coconut and the coconut fell down. Can you see the action of pecking? The crow pecked at the coconut. Now he tried to break the coconut. And can you tell me, the shell of coconut is hard or soft? The shell of coconut is hard or is it soft? It is very hard. We cannot just break the coconut like that. It is not easy to break the coconut. So can the crow break the coconut with its beak? No, the crow cannot break the coconut with its beak. It was too hard to be broken with the help of crow's beak. But still, the crow was trying it. Okay, now he tried to lift the coconut. Okay, he thought, okay, I'll lift the coconut and I'll drop it down so that it will break. But what happened? Oh, ouch! Screamed Kaga. Ouch, ouch! Because that heavy coconut fell on Kaga's claws. Okay, and what is the meaning of claw? We have hands and legs, but birds have claws. Okay, so this portion of birds are called as claws. So what this crow tried? Kaga the crow tried to lift the heavy coconut, but it was so heavy that it fell on Kaga's claw, and poor Kaga cried in pain. Ouch! I wish I was strong enough to break this coconut. Kaga was talking to itself, and what did he say? I really wish I was strong enough to break this coconut. And just then, oh, and here comes another animal. Just then, Ranga, the baby elephant, came near the tree. And what a coincidence. Can you see? He too was very hungry. You know, this baby elephant was also very hungry. He was also searching for food since long time. And when he saw the coconut tree, he also became happy, just like the crow when he first saw the tall coconut tree. So he looked at the coconut tree, and what he did, he shook the tree with its trunk. What elephants use as hand? They use their trunk. And their trunks are very strong. They use their trunk. And what this Ranga did, he also used its trunk to shook the tree. He shooked it with full strength, but none of the coconut fell down. Again, he also became sad, and not a single coconut fell down. And sadly, he said, I wish I could climb the tree. Okay, what he said to himself, oh, I really wish I could climb to tree. But can elephants climb to tree? No, elephants cannot climb to the tree. But birds can fly and they can reach to the tree. Now, he also sat there sadly, just like Kaga the crow. And seeing that, Kaga, the intelligent crow, had an idea. Okay, so Kaga was sitting there only with its coconut. Can you see? Kaga is still holding the coconut in just a hope that someone will come and he would be able to eat the coconut. So this intelligent bird had an idea, and what that idea was, let us see. Kaga gave his coconut to Ranga and said, we can share. You can break the coconut with your foot on the ground and I can break it from the top of the tree. Now see, here he used its intelligence. Okay, and what he told to Ranga, as you are very strong, you can break the coconut, and since I can fly, I can go up to the tree and break the coconut from the tree. I'll peck at the coconut, they will fall on the ground and we can eat as many coconuts as we want. And happily, Ranga also liked the idea of working together. You know, sometimes things become very easy when we take help of each other and we work together. So similarly, here also they decided to work together. And can you see Ranga broke the coconut with his foot. Both of them had the coconut pieces. Can you see they both are enjoying the coconut? Right? They both are enjoying the coconut. And again, the Kaga the crow flew to the coconut tree and pecked all the coconuts and dropped them down on the ground, on the floor. And here, look at this. Now this strong baby elephant, just with one stomp, he is breaking the coconut. So here the small bird, with the help of the intelligent bird, with the help of strength of a strong animal, they were able to get their stomach filled with this tasty and delicious coconuts. And one by one, Ranga broke all the coconuts. And what they did, they sat happily and enjoyed the coconut also, and the water also, the yummy, the refreshing water inside the coconuts. So this is the way, in this way, they both filled their stomach and they went to their own ways happily. So did you like the story? See how intelligent the crow is? It figured out how they both can eat the coconut. So what crow did? Crow flew to the coconut tree and pecked all the coconuts. And Ranga, with its strength, broke all the coconuts. And they happily ate the coconuts together. They became friends and they helped each other. So this way, many a times, working together help you to solve the problems. Okay, so the story is over for today. Now, ma'am, shall we start with our
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
side
I
board
have
activity?
unmuted all if anybody wanted to say.
Anyone wants to say
Ma'am,
anything?
I love the story.
Oh, thank you so much.
I love the story.
You want to go into my balcony?
Okay, thank you so much, everyone.
Ma'am, please unmute yourself. Sorry, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, just a minute. I'll just have a sip of water.
Yeah, sure. Everyone, come on, jump, jump, jump and go for drinking water. Everyone, get up. Come on, jump, jump, jump.
Just 2 minutes break, okay?
Yes. Or you can fly like a crow and go and drink water. Come on, come on, come on, everyone. And then we will play with our letters. You all have made letters? Yes? Now I am letting you talk if you want to talk. But first drink water, okay? You can unmute and you want to say something. Very good. Good job. I have seen your pictures. And those who have not made any letters, they can make easily. They can also make easily. Just write on a paper all these 13 letters and they can play this game. Ma'am will teach you one interesting game today, okay? Wow, I can see Charvi. Wow, I can see even Alo. you are here today? Good job.
Okay. Are you all
Okay,
ready?
I think now ma'am is back.
Yes, I am back. So now my rice are dried up.
Wow.
And I am transferring the rice in this.
Okay, now all of you go get your handbag. Ma'am, I'm unmuting everyone. You can mute yourself.
When is done class?
Acha, ma'am, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am, I've unmuted myself. Okay. Now see, my yellow color rice are ready in this bowl. And now we will play the game. Okay. Ma'am, do you want to play the second, this thing?
Okay, yeah,
Second group songs, rhymes?
yeah. I will start. I'll start from the beginning. It's 3.5 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, come on, let's quickly do the actions again with the
snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
Come on, do the action, everyone.
Answer my arm. Answer my arm. Answer my arm. They're causing me alarm.
What's the action? Remember the action.
When I watch the tennis game. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth.
Come on, move your head back and forth.
Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Come on, action of N.
Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this, I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. da 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 da. See me play upon my drum.
So, ma'am, we're done with our Richa, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, are you all ready to play the game?
Yes, show your thumbs up if you all are ready. They have to bring their rice back.
Yes. You have to get your rice bowls and whatever you have made, and your popsicles. I've seen beautiful popsicles. You all made very beautiful popsicles. Okay, now, yes, now we will play a game. Okay, and the name of that game is Dumb Charades. Dumb Charades of letters. And I will do the action. You will have to guess which letter is that. Ma'am, for the sight words also, do I have to do the action?
No, ma'am.
Hema,
No, ma'am. No.
not required, na?
No.
Okay. Okay, so first two words I will just make and show you, because these two words are sight words which we do not pronounce phonetically. Okay, these are the words which are used very commonly in our conversations, in our writing, in our reading. So these two words are sight words. Okay, so let me tell you the first, let me show you the first sight word. And the first letter of this sight word is, ma'am, it is showing correct or it is showing mirror image?
Yeah, correct, correct.
Correct, na?
Yeah.
Okay. So which letter is this? A.
All children have taken out A. Good job.
Come on, take out this letter.
A. Then next is N.
And this is your third letter. And this sight word is and. Hema ma'am and I are taking this session. And Hema ma'am and I. Okay. So what we have used? We have used this sight word and. And. Okay. Now quickly let us go to the second sight word.
Can you all make the sight word and?
Okay. Come on, one more time. And.
Let me come to your screen. Show me if you are done. I will.
Show me your thumbs up if you all done.
See.
Yes, I can see. Very
Show your
nice.
and. Show your and.
Very good. Yes, very nice. Good job, children. Wow, I'm feeling like eating your popsicles. They are so yummy. They are looking so beautiful. They're looking like real ice creams. Colorful, colorful. Okay, very good. So, shall we go to our second sight word? Keep this aside and let me write the second sight word. And the second sight word is
Everyone take out letter I and letter S.
which sight word is this? Is. Is.
Ma'am, you will have to show it little near the camera.
Okay. Can you see now?
Yeah, little up. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Good.
Okay, is.
Can everyone make this word? Is. I think all the nursery children are also learning sight words. I can see your beautiful videos. Is.
Today is a beautiful day. Today is a beautiful day. Is. We have used is. Today is.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
All children
so
have made.
wow, very nice.
Very good, beta.
Very nice. Okay, all are done with is.
Yes.
Okay, now we will start with the game. Damsharad's game. Okay, so first word we will be writing. I'll take it from here. First word, I'll just do the action and you have to guess the letter. These are 3-letter words. Next, we will play 8 words game. Okay, 8 words game we will play. We will make 8 words and all words are 3-letter words. So I will one by one, I'll do the action of 3 letters in one word. So you have to guess all the words. And once you will guess, I'll put all those words in my rice tray. So first word, first letter. Just look at the action. Which letter action is this?
Come on, pick up your popsicle and show that letter. Everyone can pick up the popsicle and show the letter.
Yes, can you all show me your popsicles? Which your popsicle will come here?
Ma'am, is this correct?
I can see some popsicles coming there.
Is it correct?
And do you want to know I'll now tell you the sound of this letter.
All children have taken out. Is this correct, ma'am?
Volume low. Yes, that's correct. And the sound is you all guessed it right. So this is letter C. Letter C. So this first letter of our 3-letter word came on my rice tray. Oh, it fell down. Okay, so it's here. Now, second letter of this 3-letter word. Now look at the action carefully. It is very easy. Okay, Come on, let's see. Go up, 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 up. My hand is going up, 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 up. Which letter is this? My hand is going up, 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 up. Which letter is this?
Is it correct, ma'am?
Come on, can I see the popsicle? Arey, wow, you all are intelligent. You all are so intelligent. Yes. And the sound of this letter is A. A. And here came my second letter of this word. C and A. C and A. K, A. K, A. Now let's go for the third letter. Let's go for the third letter. And just look at the action quickly. Any popsicles are coming up. Popsicles are coming up. Yes, I can see few popsicles there. And you all are guessing it right. Yes, you're right. You are right. This is letter. The third letter is letter. Very good. Letter T. So our word is ready. Our first three-letter word is ready. K, at, k, at, cat. K, at, cat. Can I see everyone's cat in their rice boxes? In their rice trays or boxes? Yes, I can see Hema ma'am's cat. Okay, I can see other children's cat also. Yes, very good. Well done, children. Very nice. So you all get full marks for this first dumb charade. Full marks for everyone. Very good. Yes. I can see a child has made it from the cutouts of some foam sheet, but correct. Very good. Very nice. I can see all children, they have made their cats. Very good. Very good. I'm clapping for you all. Very good. Now, shall we move for the second word?
Third word.
Second word. Okay. Second three-letter word. Second three-letter word. Okay. So, first letter. Just look at the action. First letter. Which word, which letter is this? Yes, I can see some popsicles popping up. Yes, and the sound is rrr, rrr. So the first letter, you guessed it right. It is letter R. Letter R. Now again the second letter. Okay, now the second letter is
Come on, think. Which action is for this letter?
no, I cannot, it is not letter C. It is not letter C. Not letter C, beta. Who is showing letter C? It is not letter C. Yes, I can see few correct popsicles there. Yes, I can see a correct foam sheet. A letter in the foam sheet. That's correct. Yes, it is letter
I.
I. I. Letter I with the sound of I. And I'll put it on my rice tray. And now the last letter, guess it right, and then again you will get full marks. So the third letter is yes. Come on, quickly tell me the third letter. Guess my action. Yes, I can see few popsicles. Should I give you the second guess? The sound of the letter? Yes, I can see all the correct popsicles. And it is letter P. Letter P. And the sound of letter P is P. And which word did we make? We made R, I, H, R, I, H, rip, rip, rip. Okay, this is the second three-letter word. Rip, rip, R, I, H, R, I, H, R, I, H, rip. Okay, can I see everyone's rip? Yes, 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 yes. Very good. Very good. You are using a slate also. Correct. All letters are correct. Very good, Laksh. Nice. Very good. Very good. I can see a block tray also there, a yellow color block tray. You have written it correctly. Very nice. Oh, you all are so intelligent. You all have made it so correctly.
MC, he made lollipops. So nice.
Yes. Very good, everyone. Come on, once again, I'll clap for you all and you all get again full marks for this word. Very good. Now let's quickly go to the third letter. Let's quickly go to the third letter. First letter, oh, sorry, let's go to the third word. First letter.
Come on, now you all know. Quick, quick.
Come on, quickly, get the letter. Get the letter. Are you all ready with the letter? Show me.
Yes, ma'am. You can
Yes.
go ahead. As time is less.
Yes, ma'am.
Or we can take just 2 more words.
Ma'am, 2 more letters, words we will take and then we will wind up.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is letter
P.
P. Letter P. Now, come on, the second letter. Okay, look at the action. Which letter is this? Which letter's action is this? Yes, it is letter eh, eh, eh. So this is letter
E.
E. Letter E.
Can everyone see Richa ma'am's video? Richa ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not able to. Yes. Okay, ma'am. Fine.
Okay, so we are there with 2 letters. Now third letter. Third letter. Come on, this is very easy. Show me the letter. I'll tell you the sound also. Yes, correct. The letter is
N.
letter N. And the sound is So which word we have made? Pen. 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 Okay. So this is our
Pen.
word pen. Ma'am, shall we take the last word?
Yes. And thank you, Anvita, for helping Mama.
Okay, let's quickly take the last words because the time is running out and we are getting late. You all are getting late for your other activities also. So, last word, okay? And the first letter of the last word. Come on, look at the action.
Come on, quick, quick, quick. Which letter is that? Rub your tummy.
Tummy, tummy. Which letter?
Come on, show
And the
your
sound
letter.
of this letter is
Should I show?
Yes, yes, correct. You all are showing the correct letter. Very good. It is letter M. Letter M. Now the second letter. Okay. Come on. This now you all are very much aware about of this letter. Come on, quickly, 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 quickly. Which letter is this? Eh. Eh. Eh.
Should I show?
Which letter is this? Which letter is this? Letter
A.
A. Letter A. Okay, yes. Now quickly, third letter. Quickly, the third letter. Guesses? We have already used this letter.
And can you do one more time action?
Okay. Now can you see?
Yes. Come on, guess
Come on.
which letter?
Letter letter T. So now our third word is also ready. At,
Mat.
at, mat, mat, at, mat. See, now this word is also ready, and I think your all words are also ready, and you all know the actions of all the letters. Very good, children. So proud of you all, and you all get full marks for this activity.
Ma'am,
Very good. Yes, ma'am.
you have 4 more words, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So can we do that? That you send these words. We will send these words to Mamas. Mamas will do the action and send the photographs of these 4 words. child will have to make the word and then they will send the photograph to us. Okay, will you all do that? Okay, I think ma'am, Richa ma'am, Richa ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. I think there is some internet issue coming now from my end.
Okay, no problem. So
Ma'am,
ma'am,
what did you say? Can you just repeat it?
Yes, I was
Yes.
saying the other 4 words you can
Yes.
send to all the parents, and parents
Yes.
can play dumb charade with their children and then
Yes, yes.
click the photos of those 4 words. Okay? Can we all do
Yes,
that?
ma'am. Sure. Yes. Okay. Yes, you all can do that because all your popsicles are ready. So I just have to share the words. So this you can play with your mama and papa also, or with your elder brother and sisters also. Okay. So did you all enjoy the session?
So I'll unmute them. You can ask them whether they really loved or not.
Yes.
Hey, it was a wonderful day. I too enjoyed with you all.
Yes, ma'am. It was very nice and educational. And so smart crow, you gave information about so smart crow and a nice story. And now with these things, they can keep on playing and learn how to read. Thank you, Richa ma'am.
Welcome. Thank you so much, children, for being so lovely. Okay, enjoy. Thank you so much. Everyone, welcome everyone. Bye, good night. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you are welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Emma ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, Anvita. Thank you for helping me. Bye. Bye, Richa ma'am.
Ma'am, should I leave?
Yes, bacha. Bye bye.